After wrestling with uBlock Origin and Manifest v2 extensions being unexpectedly disabled in Chrome 151 myself and tirelessly testing numerous approaches, I finally uncovered multiple effective solutions that I'm now going to share with you. First, consider updating Chrome and its extensions. Often, issues with disabled extensions stem from an outdated browser or extension version. Google regularly releases patches and compatibility updates, especially with significant changes like those affecting Manifest v2. Ensuring everything is current resolves known bugs and ensures the browser correctly interprets and loads your extensions, preventing them from being flagged as incompatible or faulty. Next, investigating Chrome flags can provide a solution. These experimental settings can sometimes interfere with extension management. A specific flag related to extension handling or Manifest v2 support might be inadvertently enabled or misconfigured, causing the browser to disable extensions. Adjusting such flags to their default or a more compatible state can restore the necessary runtime environment, allowing your extensions to function as intended. A third powerful method involves creating a new user profile. Existing Chrome profiles can accumulate corrupt data, conflicting settings, or even minor database errors over time, which directly impact extension stability. Starting with a fresh profile bypasses these potential corruptions, providing a clean environment where extensions can be installed and run without interference from pre-existing profile issues. Finally, resetting Chrome settings to default is a comprehensive fix. This action purges problematic customizations, cached data, and potentially malicious alterations that prevent extensions from loading. It brings Chrome back to a pristine state, allowing you to reinstall uBlock Origin and other Manifest v2 extensions into a stable, default configuration, effectively resolving deep-seated conflicts.